Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the 7 deadly sense origin gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller, and after that go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC once and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will take some time. After verifying the game files, check whether gamepad is working or not. Next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Here your controller will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. After your PC restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, click on everything else, and here you have to add your controller. After adding your controller over here, check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. After updating your Windows, now try to launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. So here you will find an update option available if there is any update. So simply update your game to the latest version and after that try to check whether controller is working or not. Next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. Now after the website opens, click on the download option. After that, go below. Here you have to click on the download option. Once the link file is downloaded, you have to open it and after that install it. After installing it, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game again and then check for the error. So using these methods, you can easily resolve the 7 deadly signs origin gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.